Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolute sweetheart. 1969 Plymouth Satellite convertible. Great car, guys. My buddy Scott down in Tennessee is when he found me this car. I guess an older man has had this car. It is an older restoration that has just been very well maintained. And I'll tell you the one thing he said, turn the key, point the direction, and go. He said this car hits the road great. I think he said him and his wife drove it for the weekend. Great car. It is a factory red car with white interior. This is just, it's a factory R6 red car, which is the darker red. It's called Scorch Red. This is actually the R4 version of that. So it's actually more orangey, where the factory color would have been like a blood red. But it was an original red car with white interior. You can see it's got the deeper dish chrome magnums with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It has the matching numbers, 318 engine in it, with a Holley 4-barrel. You can see a couple little touch-up marks, a couple little things you can pick, but like I say, very well-maintained car, man. Bumpers are nice. Those have definitely been replaced. Good, solid, straight body. Pretty color combination. If you're a veteran of convertibles, white interior is definitely the way to go. Black, unfortunately, it gets hot. White is nice. Of course, you can see it's got the parade boot. That dust there. Yeah, that white interior when you got the top down and you're sitting at a car show, that's nice. It'll literally stay about 15-20 degrees cooler. Taillight bezels are nice. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, it's got the 15x8 chrome Magnum 500s with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs. Got the correct chrome tips on it. Can't stress this to you enough. If you are looking on this at this car, make sure you go to southernmotors.com. A lot of problems recently with some scams. Guys have stolen our ads. Not just us. Several dealers have had this problem. But make sure you are viewing this car on southernmotors.com. Real easy to pick up the phone, 248-620-3355. That's just a little dust there, guys, if you've seen that. They have upgraded it to front disc brakes. Nice upgrade. Matching numbers, 318 V8 engine, Holley 4-barrel. It does have an Edelbrock intake. Stock exhaust manifold, stock air cleaner and valve covers, power steering. Again, they have upgraded it to power front disc brakes. We've 727 Torqueflite automatic trans, stock Chrysler radiator. There's your fender tag. Good looking car right there. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of the site. Deep in the chrome's nice. Original mirror. Those look like the original door handles too. Stainless is nice across the top of the door. Door skins are nice and clean. New sill plates. Factory bench seat, factory dash. Showing 8357. I'm assuming that is on the restoration. If you're seeing this, guys, sorry, it's just popping. See how bad it is right now? It's crazy right now. It has an aftermarket radio in the glove box. Dual exhaust, stock rear end. Does have the jack with the spare. This is a bunch of paperwork, if I remember right, on the car or something. I'll have to check through it. All body color in here like it should be. Good, clean car, guys. Well, that's actually extra. The guy said that's extra hoses and belts you put in the car. Clean underneath, pretty original. Car's not overdone. It's definitely built to cruise. Jump in it, take the wife to dinner, take the kids for ice cream. Or if you're like me, get up early in the morning, grab a cup of coffee and go cruise and let the world pass you by. Seats have been all redone, repadded, refoamed. Clock in there works. Car just runs smooth as can be. Hits the road great. Everything opens and closes real nice. Ragtop Mopar convertibles are not easy to come by. Gauges look like they're all working. Getting the clock in there works. It's power top too. I'll get some pictures of the top up too. Like I say, car hits the road real good. It's got this custom radio. It opens this way, I think. Yeah. Custom sound system in there, pretty cool. Blower motor, does it work anything? I think it does. I think we flipped it on. And the blower motor works, guys. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little red button there at the bottom. That way you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. It's just a good looking little car, man. Looks good with those Magnums too. Sounds good. Have a great day, guys.